Zoe's attempting to buy her birthday present for me. I'm getting her dunks. The panda dunks. Is the 7.5 better? Or do you like the 8?
No, this is 7.5.
Yeah, yeah? Cause this is good because I don't have to think of what to get her now. And her birthday's coming up. Done. But she has to struggle with mine.
I am officially all caught up with all the laundry. All folded. It took me 2 days to fold everything. But it is all good now. The pants were the last things I had to do because I don't use a dryer for some of the pants, especially jeans. I just let it air dry. So all the pants are good, but it's the last thing to do. Look at my stacks of t-shirts. They're actually full for once. But yes, all the laundry is finally officially caught up. It only took me 3 days of washing because I didn't also want to overload my new washer already. So yeah, that's why I did smaller loads, even though technically it could have, handled bigger loads. It is a bigger washer. As I was folding the last parts of my laundry, my long-lasting lamp that I've had for at least probably 5 years finally kind of gave up. I don't know if it's broken or not, but I changed the light bulb not too long ago, so I don't think it's the light bulb being broken or, burnt out. But I'll buy another light bulb just in case to test it. If I buy a new light bulb and it still doesn't work, then the lamp has finally passed on. It's this lamp in the corner here. I've had this for actually more than 5 years. I had this lamp even before I moved into this apartment. So this lamp would be at 9-10 years old. Sorry, I didn't realize. Yeah, I'm gonna get a new light bulb, see if that will help it. If it's not, then probably something is wrong with this light. The thing is, in my apartment, there's no lights along the back wall where my computer is. Because I think it's making me rely on the window for a light source. That's why I've always had this lamp here. So I need a light source here. I'm trying not to spend money, so we'll see. Hoping, fingers crossed, that just needs a light bulb. what's actually really dark about this lamp. I need to buy some light bulbs ASAP. So I'm gonna need to buy at least 1, 2, 7, but I'm probably just gonna buy a dozen light bulbs right now because they're all on the same voltages. I do have those studio lamps that I don't really use, so they haven't burnt out for sure for 5 years. But I am using it now because it's so bloody dark. And my kitchen one, the one not my kitchen one, the one above my dining room table, that one's also not used a lot, so that one's fine. But over here it's just really, really dark, even with most of my lights on. So I'm gonna pick up a dozen because the ones in my kitchen, it's the white fluorescent color, which I really don't like. I've always wanted to replace it, so I'm gonna replace it as soon as I can with the warm orange color. And then for my lamp up there, I'm probably gonna replace it ASAP, but yeah, I haven't had time. I think I'll have to go on Sunday. Yeah, I have some time on Sunday before my early birthday dinner with friends, so I should be able to do it. Currently, I'm just looking at Amazon because I want to get some Christmas presents out of the way. I have most of the stuff ready, but I'm just trying to figure something out for my nephew, because my nephew, everyone just gets him Lego because he just is obsessed with Lego. Honestly, I think he's only obsessed because it was a hobby passed down from my older brother to him. Because when we're younger, we don't always get a lot of Legos, and then as we're much older now, we have the money to buy it. So I think my brother just forced the hobby onto him, and you know, my nephew has gotten a big hang of it. But I don't want to get him Lego. I want to get him like a puzzle, and I didn't realize Lego makes puzzles. This is really cool. It's a Lego minifigure puzzle, but it's 1,000 pieces. That's really challenging for my nephew. But I might just get this puzzle for my brother instead because he's a Lego person, and maybe that's something the two of them can do together actually. So I'll get him that, but then I'll also buy a more simpler puzzle for my nephew. I don't know what kind of puzzle I'm gonna find for him. The Pokemon ones look kind of fake, so I'm probably just gonna look around for some more. I don't know if you guys can absolutely tell the difference right now, but I got 6 new light bulbs into my kitchen lights here. I replaced these 2 that used to have the ugly white fluorescent vibe, and now it's all orangey and it's very warm in the house. I prefer it this way. I just don't like the white fluorescent vibe. It feels like I'm in an office building. So I was able to do it, very proud of myself. And then I got an extra one. I literally bought a single one more light bulb for my lamp over there. If this blur fixes. There you go. For that one as well. So, very warm. Now all the lights match, which I enjoy. It's definitely bringing more of a warming feeling into the apartment, which I like. Anyway, the funny thing about today is I actually unplugged a few things and turned off the power towards the computer and the computer in my room because I was worried with the high wind. There were blackouts throughout the city. I didn't want to fry my things. So, but the wind died down, so I plugged everything back in. Even the Christmas tree, I just noticed, looks a lot better in this warm lighting setting. So, a good call on my part. And I'm gonna plug this down. I'm sleeping soon. Okay. Day off tomorrow. I don't think I have anything planned tomorrow. I'm just gonna take it easy for the majority of the day, and then I have dinner plans with Aaron, Ina, Shavana, and Takumi. I haven't seen Takumi in a while. So it's kind of like an early birthday celebration. I had to split up the group into 2 dates because not everyone can make it tomorrow and not everyone can make it on the 23rd. That's the downside of having a birthday near Christmas. But I think there's more people on the 23rd, I think. But yeah, right now I'm probably just gonna take it easy and head to bed soon. So I figured I should end the vlog now properly before I completely forget, which I always do. So I will see you all next week.